Dear audience, today we are going to talk about object-related cue card. We know there are 4 types of cue card in IELTS speaking: people, place, event, and object. So today we'll discuss object-related cue card, how you can answer properly, what will be the strategy, what type of vocabulary you will use, everything we'll discuss today. So let's go for the object-related cue card. Tips to describe object-related cue card. We'll provide you some tips. According to these tips, you will describe an object. Today, we'll learn some example of object card, how to describe object card, words to describe object card, sample of object cue card. Okay. So let's start object cue card. The example, some example today I will provide you. The first example is describe an object you value most in your possession. So it's totally object. Describe an important thing that you own. So by this way, the object-related cue card, the examiner might ask you. Describe an electronic device that you own. It might be a computer, mobile, or some other things, but you will describe as an object. The most useful device that you have. Yeah, anything that might be. Describe something that you often use at home, which you use often at home, you can describe that. Describe a musical instrument. So these are the example of object-related cue card, and just today we'll show you how you can describe an object-related cue card. How to describe object card. Following questions need to answer to describe object card. Okay, in your cue card, you will have some question. When you will enter into the examiner's room, he or she will give you a cue card, and under the cue card you will have something, some questions, and what type of question you will get that is more or less same like this. So this type of question you will answer. What is it? You will take about 30 seconds to describe what is it. You will give definition, what's the activities of it, detailed description of this object you will provide, what is it, description and function. Describes the object and what's the function, what type of activities you can perform by this, you describe this. And number 3, why it is important. For why it's important, it will take 30 minutes. So 30 seconds, 30 seconds. A total 1 minute and 1 minute for description and function. Okay. So by this way, you will answer a object-related cue card by 2 minutes. And let's go what type of question or what type of vocabularies we will use. We'll talk now. Words to describe object-related cue card. Desired. Extraordinary. There is nothing comparable with this. Magical. It seems to you that it's a magical device, or astonishing, passage, perform, splendid, fascinating, inevitable, apparatus, precious, is so valuable, style, in-depth. This is for to show the importance of the cue card. You describe you use this word style, in-depth, unmatched, enormous, stimulate, undeniable, indispensable, embodied, smooth, communication. These are the lovely vocabularies you will use to describe an object. Sometimes your feelings, sometimes the activities, sometimes the function. So, and add-on also you can use add-on. So these are the lovely words you should use to describe an object. Now we're going to show you an object related sample cue card. First question we'll try to answer what is it in 30 seconds. So this is how. The most desired laptop which I have is extraordinary to me. With this magical device I spend almost 6 to 7 hours, which is even higher than the time I spend with my friends. My father bought me this astonishing instrument 3 years back when I enrolled in the university. Though I have done some parts upgraded of it, the main parts remain same as they were when I purchased it. So this is a brief introduction of your object. This is extraordinary. Your father gave you when you were a third year, 3 years ago. He gave you when you enrolled at the university. Though you have upgraded some part, but still it is same. So This is more or less simple or brief description of the object. This is how any object you are going to describe, like a computer, mobile, any kit, or any kind of device, any kind of instrument, any kind of showpiece. You will just give a short description of your object. So this is a part 1. Now we'll go for the part 2, description and function. 1 minute. I use not only internet with this device, but also I can perform various types of activities related to my study and assignment. You can perform many things related to your study. So this is important. Furthermore, I maintain the social networking like Facebook, Twitter. You can use this. Update my blog. You can update your blog, play video games, watch movies, listen to music, learn and practice the graphic designing and programming and many more things by this plan tool. So you can do as much as you can think. So this is related to function. Moreover, you can do many things also with this. This fascinating instrument has become an inevitable part of my life since I can hardly think of a day without this ultra modern apparatus. You can spend a day without this. Really, actually, we cannot pass it without a laptop or computer. Okay. The precious material which is typed from internet related to my in-depth studies are unmatched. You can search so many things from internet for your research, for your study. So this is a very precious thing for you. As a result, it saves enormous valuable time and it stimulates me perform superb in the research and exam. In your exam and in your research, it works superbly. It works fantastically. For this device, you can actually do your research, you can do your study. So that's why this device is a very important device for you. And lastly, the third question is why it's important for you. The wonderful device is undeniable link with entertainment and source of rare knowledge. It helps me sending indispensable emails, which embodies smooth communication. Thus, this has become inevitable instrument which I adore most. So in this part, just you will provide the importance of this. You can get the entertainment from this. You can get huge source of knowledge. You can send huge email for your smooth communication, for lovely and better communication. Thus, it is inevitable. Without it, you cannot imagine your life. It has become which I adore most, which I like most. So this is how you describe an object. So again, if we go back, we'll find that number 1, that is simple cue card, laptop. What is it? You will describe, and that is description. You will describe it, and lastly, the importance of it. You will give the importance of this laptop. So this is how you will describe an object, any kind of object, but this following this 3 questions, 3 methods, you will describe this. Lastly, do it yourself. This is a sample cue card. Describe something you own which is very important to you. It might be a laptop, mobile, computer, any other thing, and you should say where you got it from, how long you have got it, what you use it for, and explain why it is important to you. So different angle, different way it may come, but you can also follow this thing also. Okay. So dear friends, thank you very much for listening this lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me in our inbox. We'll answer you. Have a good day.